Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love lasagna, but I wanted to do a meatless lasagna, so I did an eggplant parmesan lasagna. And this is so incredibly delicious. You're gonna love it. Let me walk you through it. So what I've got here is my eggplant, and I'm going to slice this into, I'd say 1/4 to 1/2 inch slices. Something like this. So after we've sliced this, I'm going to dredge this in our station with some flour, then an egg mixture, just a couple of eggs that I've beaten up. I like beating things up. And then some Italian breadcrumbs. Yum. And we'll just go ahead and set these aside on a wire rack. Once we got these all breaded up and they look incredibly gorgeous, we're going to fry these up for a couple of minutes until they're beautifully browned. Once they're nicely browned, I'm just going to set these aside. And I should mention this has only been about, I'd say 2 minutes. And just look at this, guys. Absolutely incredible. Okay, next up I'm going to take some marinara sauce and put it in the bottom of my casserole dish. I love this sauce. Now put our eggplant in, and this is going to be so delicious. And I should mention, guys, you can overlap these. Another layer of that incredibly delicious marinara sauce. I just love this sauce. Followed by some mozzarella. Ooey gooey goodness. Some Parmesan, and last but not least, some basil leaves. I just love the smell of basil. Okay, I'm going to slip this into a 375 Fahrenheit 190 Celsius oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, guys, our eggplant Parmesan lasagna. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Oh guys, this is so good. It's ooey gooey cheesy. The eggplant is fantastic. Just love this. You gotta make it. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.